Have you ever been taught by a teacher on a particular subject? Then when the test came, it assessed you differently. Like, for example, the teacher taught you about the basic kinds of color in the color wheel. Then after that, an activity came and what it assessed was emotional representation of colors. It established confusion, right? Like the topic you learned wasn't aligned with the activity or assessment that was given. And here is where constructive alignment comes. Constructive alignment is an outcome based approach to teaching in which the learner outcomes that students are intended to achieve are defined before teaching takes place. Constructive alignment is consisted with three elements: teaching learning activities, assessment tasks, and learning outcomes, and it is constructed in this form of diagram. What this tells us is that in teaching, learning materials, teaching activities, or topics you teach on your students should be aligned or entirely relevant to your assessment task that you give. And the assessment task that you give should also be aligned or entirely relevant to the learning outcomes of the student. To put it simply, constructive alignment is if you teach a student how to drive, the assessment should also test the student how to drive, and it will result to a learning outcome where the students learn how exactly or practically to drive. And not if you teach student how to drive, then the assessment is a test about how to describe driving, and it will result to a learning outcome where the students learn to drive in theory or in paper and not learning practically or learning how to drive. And that is constructive alignment. Thank you.